Welcome to the stylish random number generator. Simply set your minimum and maximum values, click the button, and watch a random number appear. With a clean interface, smooth animations, and an engaging gradient design, this app is both functional and visually appealing. Let's explore how it works. The app is built using HTML, CSS, and JS. The layout consists of a centered container with two input fields, a generate button, and a display area for the result. The interface uses a blurred, semi-transparent card with rounded corners and subtle shadows, giving it a modern look. The inputs allow users to define a minimum and maximum number, and the button triggers the random number generation. The displayed number is bold, large, and animated. When the button is clicked, a short rolling animation shows rapidly changing numbers, creating anticipation. A click sound accompanies each press for interactive feedback. Behind the scenes, JS ensures valid input, generates the random number, and animates the display. After the rolling effect, the final number pops up with a scaling animation, making it visually clear and satisfying. This project demonstrates the integration of HTML, CSS, and JS to create a functional, interactive, and visually engaging web app. It's not only a practical tool for generating random numbers, but also a polished example of user-friendly web design. Simple, elegant, and built with just a few lines of code. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, there's more on the way.